Okay, let's get you guys set up with the 3 tools that we're going to need you to install on your PC, Mac, or your Linux machine in order that we can create and destroy environments without actually affecting what's on your PC. Okay, so we're going to need 3 tools. We're going to need a Git, which is a version control tool. We're going to need Vagrant, which helps us to manage virtual machine environments. And we're going to need Virtualbox, which is a freely available virtual machine system. Now, don't worry about the details of these at the moment. We'll go into those in detail later. But for now, all we're going to do is set your machine up. So to get Git, we navigate to gitscm.com. You see here the download button. We'll download 2.18. If it's a later version, don't worry about it. We'll save that and go to View Downloads, Open Folder. There we go. And then it's just a standard installer. We double click. Yes. And we're just going to accept all of the defaults. Now this one's the important one. Use Git from the Windows command prompt. You could add in the optional Unix tools, but you certainly want this second one, if nothing else. Yes, we want the OpenSSL library. Okay, we don't really want to read the release notes. So we'll finish. Okay, now the important thing is we want to be able to access this from the command line. So go to the command prompt and do git version. Okay, and that confirms we've now got the Git version installed. So that'll do for now. Okay, having got Git installed, we now want to install Vagrant. So we go to vagrantup.com. And again, we just select the download link. We want the Windows link. And again, it's just a regular old installer, so double click. And again, we're just going to accept the defaults. Once we're done, okay, it says you need to restart. In actual fact, you don't really. If you have the time, then restart. I don't. So just for the purposes of this, again, we go to the command prompt. And there we go. We've got Vagrant installed. And the last component we need is Virtualbox. So virtualbox.org. And as with the others, we just download whatever the latest version is. There we've got Windows hosts. And then we save it. And again, it's just a double click to install. And as with the previous 2 applications, we're just going to accept the defaults. Don't bother with that. Although we are going to start it manually. Okay, so let's just confirm that it's all installed. Okay, everything looks okay. Okay, so we've got the 3 tools installed and we're now ready to move on to our first real test.